Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert picture in Excel. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. In Excel, we usually deal with a large amount of data. However, in some cases, the numerical or text data in the cell might not be enough to understand the data completely. In such cases, adding image can and chart help provide visual cues to the reader to understand and ascertain the data easily. So how to do it if you want to enter or you want to insert image on your workbook in Excel? It's very simple. So first of all, first we have to open our Excel. You can open the document that you want to insert the image. This one, I want to add picture in here. So you can go to insert, click on insert on the ribbon menu, and you'll find there is an option picture. You can just click on that. You can choose you want to insert picture from this device or online picture. I will choose this device. So I have, okay. For the example, I will just try to enter it. You can enter the, click on the image and you can just put it on your Excel worksheet. And you can adjust the size. And you can also edit the image in here on the picture format. Like you can correct zoom on the effect. You can use artistic effects in here, or you can just add picture border, picture effect, or picture layout in here. It's so simple, right? So that is how to insert picture on Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.